We have to understand, of course, ang gusto siguro sabihin ni Senator Erwin na sovereignty resides in the people. Pero however, side by side with that is the principle, the basic principle that no one is above the law. While of course sovereignty is in the people, pero ang taong bayan by enacting laws are giving the laws supremacy, no, na hindi porke sovereignty na sa tao so pwede niyang ibaliwala ang batas, no. Still no one is above the law, no, and then of course yung sinasabi na we are a government of laws and not of men, no. These are very basic principles. Siguro na banggit lang ni Senator Erwin yan because of frustration, or siguro palagay ko baka naiinip, no, dahil gusto niya may immediate result dyan sa investigation at may makulong na etc., no. Pero we still have to of course respect the Constitution and the laws